Is it working? Hey guys, this is Alexis, Soulfield Leather. Hope you guys are doing well. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you my review, my first impressions of the Husky workbench tabletop, rolling tabletop. Comes with caster wheels. It is the 46-inch wide by 24-inch deep tabletop. As far as the specs are concerned, this is, like I said, 46 inches wide. Hold on. By 24 inches deep. The capacity is 300 pounds and the drawer capacity are 35 pounds. This comes, as you can see, I'll put a link in the description. I'm not affiliated or anything. This is just to help you guys out. I bought this at Home Depot, it's free shipping, and they have a whole bunch of these in different sizes. They have them with the drawer and without the drawer. As far as assembly, I really do not want to make an assembly video. If you guys really want an assembly video, I have another box right here. I bought 2 of them. I just assembled 1. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to put build a long video on this workbench. I will tell you, as far as the build, it took 1 hour to build by myself. And all you really need, to be honest with you, is a number 3 Phillips. Not a number 2, get a number 3. And it comes with this wrench. I don't know what size it is, this wrench. And as you can see, I kind of marred it up a little bit. This side here was for the caster wheels, and this side was for the self-leveling feet that comes already pre-installed. So this does come with caster wheels, but it comes pre-installed with these guys, which is really cool. It gives you the option. I marred up that tool, that wrench, putting on the caster wheel, but it's not a really big deal. Now, the assembly, like I said, took 1 hour, and there was a total of 40 screws, and they give you exactly 40 screws. 36 of them are the same, and there's 4 that are different. So it really took really fast to build. It's actually built like a tank. There's a couple of variations you can do, and that pertains to the bottom brace. You could put the bottom brace towards the back or towards the center. I chose towards the center, as I feel that that's going to give it a little bit more stability. The neat thing about this bench is that, well, let me show you. It comes with this wheel, and it'll allow you to pull this joker out, and you can raise and lower the table. Now let me show you the lowest setting and the highest setting. I'm gonna crank this thing all the way down. It's pretty smooth, the operation on this thing. You can kick it in when you're done so it's not in your way. But the lowest setting, keep in mind, this is with the caster wheels. This is with the caster. What am I doing? 29 inches, the lowest setting. If you had the self-leveling feet, I would say it's probably closer to 27. Now let's crank this thing all the way up. All right, right there's the highest it'll go. And you're looking at just shy of 42 inches, 41 3/4. That's with the caster wheels on. So whatever I said, 29 and 42. 29 the lowest, 42 the highest. That is pretty slick. All right, let's take a look at the drawers. There's 2 drawers on this one, this model. And you're looking at the inside diameter is a little over 31, so 31 1/8 wide. And the depth, this is real science. Woo, right at 16 inches. So 31, just shy over 31 by 16. And they both are the same. As far as the depth, I can't really use this. I want to say, whoa, up to right here, 1 3/4 inches. Actually, let me see if one of my dies fit in there. My dies are these are 1.25 inches deep. Let's see if that closes. That closes no problem. So it'll fit an 1.25 inch die, no problem. Which is the standard die size. All 4 caster wheels are this way. They have the traditional engaged, locked, and off. All 4 are the same. And this is the one optional position you could put. This is the frame here, the center bar frame. There's a slot that you could put them in the back here. This is what I was talking about. You can either put it in the back or put it in the middle. I chose the middle. That's the only variance that you have, the only kind of modification you can make to this thing is whether you put this brace in the middle or in the back. As far as the top itself, this is Maplewood butcher block, I believe. And it is, I think, inch. Why do I keep doing that, dude? It's embarrassing, guy. 1.25 inch thick butcher block top. 1.25 inch. That is the SKU number and the model number, if you guys can read that. And I wanted to show you the top of the box so you can see exactly what I got here. So I know this is rated for 300 pounds and I'm not going to test it, but that's just my first impression and my review of everything. If you guys really want me to do an unboxing video and an assembly video, let me know. I really don't want to, I'm just being honest with you, shooting straight. Like I said, it took 1 hour to build. All you need is a Phillips number 3 screwdriver and the included wrench, and it'll take you an hour to put it together. It's built really well. It has some metal framing, extra braces. It's well built. And what I'm going to use it for is going to be a piece of equipment that I'm going to not tell you what it is just yet, but it's going to go directly on this. And the reason why I got caster wheels is that piece of equipment I can move around the shop. And the other table is going to be dedicated for a computer workstation that's needed for the piece of equipment that I'm going to have on there. Let me know if you can guess what piece of equipment is going to go on here that needs a computer that is about the size of this table, which is 46, maybe not that long, but definitely 24 inches. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good day. Goodbye. Bye, everyone. I'm going to be weird and hold it here for a second. No reason whatsoever. Oh, it's on manual focus. I got to do it again. I don't know if the last part was in focus. It's on manual focus. But that's it as far as a review, my initial first impression. Like I said, I'm not going to do a build video. I'm not going to do this all over again. All right. If it's out of focus, out of focus. Love you. Bye.